You're looking at a 2020 Tesla Model X Long Range Plus with 42,000 miles that comes loaded with ABS, traction, stability control, premium wheels, white exterior, white premium leather interior, base autopilot, which is upgradable, full self-driving, Falcon doors, 5-passenger, heated seats, heated steering wheel, front trunk storage. VIN number is right here. Still under full factory warranty. Car's in excellent shape. We have inside 42,556 miles. Autopilot. It gets about 330 miles at 100% charge. Adaptive suspension. Premium audio. CCS ready. It's got heated seats, heated wipers, heated steering wheel, dog mode, biohazard defense mode, backup camera. Everything's fully working, rear vents. It is a 5-passenger. It does come with a charger. Open. No dog hair, no odors, or anything like that. Just a nice clean car. If you're interested, please give us a call. Our phone number is 508-921-0301. Again, it's 508-921-0301. Thank you.